5 May 2019. Today we are going to solve the simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations. Yes. So basically, on simultaneous equations, we are going to find the value of x or y or b depending on what the type of the problem is. So let me start with this one. 2x plus 3y equals to 10, and 2x plus y equals to 2. Yeah, this is my equation, simultaneous equation. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to multiply this equation and this equation by 2. We cross multiply this one. Sometimes you can find here it will be like 4 and here 6. So on this 6 we multiply here, and this 4 we multiply here. Yeah, but in case these are both, so I will cross multiply by 2 both sides. So we are saying this equation multiplied by 2, and then this equation multiplied by 2. So we are working on it. We are now saying 2 times 2x, which is equal to 4x. 2 times positive 3y is 6y plus 6y equals to 10 times 2, which equals to 20, and they are going to call it equation 1. 2 times 2x, it will be 4x plus 2 by y, it will be going to be 2y equals to 2 by 2 is 4. Going to say it equation 2. Now on this stage, what we are going to do is that we divide here a negative sign. So I want to eliminate x. So we are going to say 4x minus x is 0. So we will not write anything. So we are going to say that 6 minus 2, it will be 4. Is that right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 4y. And you say 20 minus 4, it will be 16. 20 minus 4 is 16. So we want to find the value of y. So I divide both sides by 4. 4 into 4, it will remain with y. 4 into 16, that's 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. That's 4. So basically, we now have the value of y. Now have the value of y. So y is 4. Now, we will find the value of y. Now I want to find the value of x. So first we can pick n from this one, either equation 1 or equation 2. Let me pick this one, so that this step is called, and now substitute y in either equation 1 or equation 2. In this case, I will substitute y in equation 1. So I will rewrite this one and replacing y in equation 1. That is, I'm saying 4x plus 6. I'm not going to write y. I will replace y with 4 here. Yeah. Which equals to 20. And I will simplify this one. So I will now say 4x, 6 times 4, that's 6, 12, 18, 24 to be plus 24, which equals to 20. This is now an equation. We want to find the value of x. So I'm going to say, collecting like terms, 4x equals this one, it will goes there and it became negative 24. We say negative 24. We want to find the value of x here, so we divide both sides by 4. And the x equals to negative 24 divided by 4 is 6, negative 6. So finally, we will find our answers. Y is 4 and x is negative 6. This is simultaneous questions. Now, I want to solve the last one. The last one. Let me have this one. A plus 2b equals to 13. And 2a minus 3b equals to 5. So, this equation, what we do is that we cross multiply these coefficients. So this one will be like 1 and this one will be 2. So I'm saying this one will come here by 1 and this one will goes here, say by 2. Now the next stage is to times this equation with this number. So I'm going to say 2 times a, I'm going to get 2a plus 2 times 2, it becomes 4b. And 13 by 2, it becomes 26. They're going to mention it as equation 1. And the second one, simplifying this one, 1 by this one, it became 2a. 1 times negative this one became negative 3b equals to 1 by this one, it became 5. And I'm going to say it's equation 2. And the next step is that we put a divide line, but it will be a subtraction line. The purpose of doing this is when you get to this stage, our aim is to eliminate this one. So 2a minus 2a, it becomes 0. 4 minus 3, it became 4 minus 3, it became positive 7. Here 4 minus 3, and negative and negative will bring positive, so it became 7b equals to, and I am now saying that 26 minus 5 is 21. 26 minus 5 is 21. So we want to find the value of b, so we divide both sides by 7 over 7 here over 7. So 7 into 7 will remain with the b equals to 7 into 21, that's 3. So now we find the value of 3. So we want to find the value of b, of a. Last time I substitute B, the answer of B into equation 1. So right now I want to choose equation 2. So I will substitute B in the answer that I get on B in equation 2 here. I will replace this one with 3. So I'm going to rewrite here. I'm saying that 2a minus 3. The value of B here is 3. So I'm also going to write 3 equals to 5. And I'm going to solve this one. So we are saying that 2a minus 3 times 3, that's equals to 9, which equals to 5 here. So basically we are going to collect the like terms, and I'm saying that 2a equals to 5 plus 9. 2a equals to 5 plus 9, that's 14. And then it is 14. We divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So 2 into 2 will remain with a equals to 2 into 14 is to be 7. So our answer, so the value of a is 7 and the value of b is 3. So basically this is how we solve this equation. So thank you guys, keep on subscribing on this channel. My aim, my goal is to teach you what I may know, especially learning, and sometimes bring you stories or stories you may missed. That's all my mission, sir. Bye for now, guys. Keep on subscribing.